Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. And I'm here looking at the beautiful Westcott. And today we're looking at this gorgeous one bedroom study model. And I think you're gonna love it. Before we go in, this is the hallways. It's what it looks like. It's really clean, crisp, very quiet too. It feels awesome. Okay, but now let's walk into number 415. Again, it's a one bedroom study. So oh, love this feel. It just feels very big for one. On the right, we've got a gorgeous study. This is a study, and it does close off, by the way. So you've got a study here, but then you've got a great closet that's here too, so that's awesome. Well, then we'll walk in. Oh, before we walk in here, let's say, okay, this is really nice. Washer dryer area, utility room. So we've got that. We've got a good half bath that's over here. So that's a really big plus. But now let's walk into the kitchen and living room. Kitchen and living room is very cool. Feels great. Now, this is a little bit different look and feel than the two bedroom model. So just be advised the Westcott has different color schemes and things like that. This is kind of a bluish, kind of almost not turquoise, but kind of a bluish green color scheme in here. It's really pretty. I love just the white quartz too, and I love the gas range. So that's really cool. Love that stovetop. Very pretty appliances, very crisp look here. And then of course there's a gorgeous island. The island is good size. It's got a good sized lip here too. So love seeing this lip. There's 3 stools that are there, so you've got some great seating in here. But honestly, this is a pretty good size in here as well as the living room. So you might even be able to fit in not just this furniture, but even a small table in here to give you some additional seating. So you've got really a nice feel in here. Now this one has a window this is overlooking the circle that's nearby here. So this is super nice. This is a Memorial Park area. So just a simply gorgeous area. Hey, we're gonna do a part 2 video right now. This is of the bedroom and the bath. If you have any questions so far about anything you've seen here on this tour, send me a text. And at any time, if you wanna do a virtual live tour, you don't have to come in person. We'll just take care of it. You'll see it all on your phone live. You can do a virtual live tour of what's available here for you. And I really recommend doing that. Send me a text and just request that. That'll be free.